Hey, are you sure your cloud platforms have been properly configured? If not, you might be at risk. Hello everybody and welcome back to Stan's Garage, bringing you everything you need to know for effective business IT management. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing one of the main causes of cloud breaches, and that would be good old misconfiguration. And 6 ways you can prevent these misconfigurations and keep your cloud systems secure. Now, obviously, the cloud has become an integral part of modern business operations, and certainly as a part of that, it's going to be really important to ensure you keep your platform secure. Misconfigurations can happen to just about anyone, and they lead to significant security vulnerabilities. According to a recent report, misconfigurations are the main cause of cloud breaches. In fact, 95% of cloud security failures can be attributed to human error and misconfiguration. So, misconfigurations occur when you don't set up these platforms properly, particularly when you're enforcing security policies, and you leave it vulnerable to attack. So what I'm going to do is give you 6 ways that you can prevent some of the most common misconfigurations. So number 1, automate what you can, right? There are simple ways to deploy your cloud users, cloud platforms, any of the systems you deploy. And when you automate these configurations, you help reduce human error and ensure that systems are set up correctly and according to best practice. By using automation tools, you can enforce certain security policies and eliminate the risk of manual configuration errors. Number 2, implement those security best practices. Now, speaking of essential best practices, security best practices are pretty crucial to preventing those misconfigurations to begin with. Start by using strong passwords. Use Password Manager for that. It's going to make your life a lot easier, trust me. Enabling multi-factor authentication, and of course, using a least privileged methodology when providing user access to sensitive data. The last thing you need is an employee getting phished and exposing all the data in your SaaS platform. Number 3, monitor that cloud activity. Monitoring and logging your cloud activity is how you're able to detect when a misconfiguration or other security vulnerability or incident is in the midst of happening, right? So when you regularly review your logs, you are more likely to quickly identify and respond to potential threats. There are a number of automated tools that can help you with this. If you want more information on that, please message me in the comments. Number 4, use access controls. Well, I know I touched on this already, but access controls limit user access to sensitive data and can be a big help in preventing those misconfigurations. So when you set up these access controls, you can ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. Number 5, regularly audit cloud configurations, settings, logs, all of it. By regularly auditing your cloud configurations, you can help identify and fix configurations before they can cause a breach, be exploited. Bad actors get in there, they're gonna mess up anything that's been misconfigured. Now, when you schedule reviews on your cloud configurations on a regular basis, you're gonna be ensuring that they are set up correctly and in compliance with your security policies and best practices. Number 6, user training. You gotta train those users on cloud security. I mentioned that human error is a leading cause of misconfiguration and therefore, by extension, data breaches. Training employees on cloud security is a crucial step in preventing those misconfigurations. You should be training employees on security best practices, and they should be made aware of potential risks that are associated with a number of these misconfigurations that we've discussed. So, to sum everything up, preventing misconfigurations in the cloud is essential for the security of your data and systems. These SaaS platforms, as convenient as they are, everyone has access to them if they're not properly set up, right? So that includes the bad actors you're trying to keep out. So by following the ways I've discussed in this video, you can reduce the risk of these misconfigurations causing a problem and prevent those security vulnerabilities. Now, remember to always stay vigilant and regularly review those cloud configurations to keep your company data safe. So as always, I would love to get your thoughts on this. Are you taking these steps when considering cloud configuration? Maybe you're doing other things to help prevent security vulnerabilities. I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for any help in helping your business stay safe in the cloud, feel free to drop me a note in the comments, or you can schedule a call with me in the Calendly link below. So thanks again for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.